Do you know how to use your hands in a dance? You think it is impossible to create something even more. And I want to say that you are right. It is impossible to come up with something new. But the answer to the question of how to give more vocabulary to your hands lies on the surface. So let's talk about it. Hand language. This is how Krumpers communicate and understand each other. Let's go to the first, talking. Hands pointed. Used in exchange, communication, building get off, allows others to see your mood, concept, message, storytelling. Number 2, power. Hands closed, fists. It is used as an exclamation in your dance, like boom, boom, boom. For me, it's like an exclamation mark. Or another way, your visualization. The way you show how you hold something. Like this, 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 this. Or you show your power. Number 3, open hand, liveness. This is the highest point of your get off, your character, your life. Or the second way, you can use this position to visualize your concepts. So we have studied 3 main positions of hand signals. This is power, live, and talking. And move on to the gestures and hand signals. First hand signal, stop. You can do it in front of you, to the side, up, down, back, anywhere. Dance and stop. Stop, 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 stop. What? Next, I call this position ribs, as if I have big, strong, and sharp claws. The character and manner of my dance immediately changes. Wow. Let's go to the next. Next one is like I smelled a bad smell. Ooh. No. Another one is when I'm sure that I'm afraid. Whoa. Whoa. Or for example, I imagine that the giant want to crush me and they do like this. Don't do this. Next gesture is called I don't know. Or who know. It's like this. Who know? Who know? So you're dancing, bam, 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 and then who know? Ooh, I know. Boom, boom, boom. Another one is when you make fun of someone. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's go next. Knock, knock. It's like I'm knocking on the door. Knock, knock. You need to say, no. Just say it. Knock, knock. Who's there? Next one, I'm imagining that I'm standing on the stage and do like this to my audience. What? What? Next, I show that I'm holding a gun, like this. Or my hand is a gun, like this. What do you say? What do you say? Huh? And another cool gesture looks like this. So I'm imagining that I'm dancing, and then I do like. I'm dancing right now. Next gesture indicates that it's going to be hot, like this. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Next gesture is blah blah. You already know what does it mean. It's like your haters. Blah 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 blah. Nah. This is a signal to my viewer that I'm going to move in the character Spitfire. I'll show it and after this transform into robotic movements. Like a Spitfire. Because this is my character. Oh yes. Or another hand signal, this is Maddman. Shout out to my family, Maddman family. Boom, boom. After this signal, I turned into school bully character. Like, what? What you want? You have a problem? You have a problem? Come on, come on. Next gesture is heartbeat. I can take it from somewhere or get it from me and show it. Next gesture is you. I point on someone or something. This gesture is when everything is fine. Okay. Or thumbs up. Give me your thumbs up under this video. You can also show bad habits, the way you smoke or drink alcohol. But I advise you to only show this in dance. You don't need to do it in real life. It is bad. Another gesture is showing the phone. Like this. Hello? Or like this. Hello. Okay. Another gesture like I'm a rock star with a microphone in one hand and fingers up in the air like this. Wow, Spitfire! Next forms are epic for me. It's like this or like this. I imagine that I'm a superhero standing like this up the barrel and my opponent lying on the floor. I think it's enough for a dance for now. Write in the comments which gesture or form you like the most. And also write the topic would you like to see next time. Enjoy! Yeah, Spitfire! See you soon!